Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back. Day 23rd of our 100-day challenge going strong. And as excited as always to come back and meet you guys. And thank you for sharing your love, insight, inputs. And the guys who are listening this video for the first time, this is a journey where we have embarked on a 100-day challenge to uncover, unleash, unfold some true facts of life and make our life more meaningful, more impact, and more happier. And I think yesterday we touched upon one important aspect of our life. How can we do that? That was a small exercise to jolt down the some 6 7 strengths about ourselves and keep it practicing day by day. And that's just to keep ourselves that what we are, what capability we have, what strengths we are, what uniqueness we have. And I think in the continuation of that, I'll take the topic for today. It's a very powerful quote which says, "Be the change you want to see in this world," and it's so very powerful. It's the I think from thinking from me, I believe that it all starts from you. If you have, because we have that power, we have that powerful soul. So if we are good, everything else surrounding to us, everything else near us will become good to us. And that's where it's so very important that what we perceive, how we perceive what we are, how we present ourselves, how we carry ourselves, how we make our life. That's the message is that we have that power to make our life, and that's where we don't have to give that power to somebody else. That be a circumstance or be an external person or somever. We have that power. God has given us that power to us to recreate our own life, to recreate our own reality. And that's where we need to take that ownership, we need to take that accountability, and we need to be very strong that we have that power. And always have that notion with us that if I can change, everything else will get changed. So be that change, be that agent, be that catalyst, and everything else will become good to you. If you are good to your children, it's like give and take. The what you sow, you get reap. It's saying there are so many. It's a kind of a rippling effect. So the more good you do, the more good will come back to you. If you are good to others will be good to you. So I think it's the same notion which carries over. So it all starts from us. All starts from me. So if I change, everything else will get changed. So guys, take that ownership, take that accountability, take that power which you own, which God has given us, which God has given you. Don't give that power to somebody else. Don't let somebody run your life. You are the owner, you are the king, you are the master of your own life, and create what you want. And I think that's a very very powerful message, that we should have that strength. We should consider our strength, and we should always be very we should have that notion of strength, we should have notion of power, and we should always carry ourselves along with that power, and everything else surrounding to you will become good to you. And all those previous videos, if you see, we have talked about few things, small things, but it makes a lot of impacts in individual life. If we keep on practicing that day by day, month by month, year by year, you will see a lot of difference in your attitude, in your behavior, and in your surroundings, and the people around you will automatically will become good to you. So it's all starts from us, it all starts from me, it all starts from you. Take that accountability, take that ownership, and take that commitment. Yes, we can do it. And there is another quote which says that I can, I will, end of the story. That's it. It's so simple, it's so powerful. I can, I will, and end of the story. That's it. Own it, do it, and see the difference. And so, thank you guys. I believe, I hope you would have got the message, and hope this video, as our last previous videos, is being very helpful, very insightful. And as always, my request to you guys is share your insights, share your thoughts, valuable inputs any important topic you think that we need to discover more, or we need to do some research and have a more understanding of that, I am open for that. So that at least the intention is to build this community so that we are interconnected with each other and we love each other unconditionally. So on that note, guys, and also if you have got some ideas how to make this channel or this videos more impactful, more meaningful, and how to outreach to more other people, I'm looking forward for that also. Any name you can suggest for this channel, any background you want to suggest, any more topics to be covered in the videos, anything, I think I'm open for that suggestion. So please share your love, your insights, your inputs, your motivation as always, and do consider subscribing to my channel. So thank you so much, guys. I really enjoy coming and talking to you. Take care till we meet next. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so very much.